Are you ready to elevate your streaming experience with Lux Player IPTV? If you want to enjoy a seamless viewing experience, you're in the right place. Today, I'll help you set up the Lux Player step by step and ensure you're getting the most out of your service. First, if you haven't already, head over to the 2TV store for the best IPTV provider available. Now let's dive into the setup. To begin, make sure you have the latest version of the Lux Player installed on your device. Whether you're using an Android, Fire Stick, or Smart TV, you can find the app on Google Play or the Amazon App Store. Download and install Lux Player version 3.13.454 to enjoy optimal performance. Once installed, open the app and get ready to configure. Next, it's time to log into your Lux IPTV account. You'll need your username and password, which you should have received when you signed up. If you're unsure, check your email confirmation for these details. Input them carefully in the Lux Player login screen. Remember, typos can prevent you from accessing your account. After logging in, you'll want to add your IPTV playlist. This is crucial for accessing channels. If you don't have a playlist yet, don't worry. Many IPTV services provide these directly. Just navigate to the playlist section in Lux Player and input the URL of your playlist. Make sure it's the M3U format, which is standard for IPTV playlists. Now let's fine-tune your settings for an optimized viewing experience. Go to Settings and adjust the video quality. If you're on a stable internet connection, opt for high-definition streaming. But if your connection is spotty, consider lowering the resolution to avoid buffering. Another tip? Enable the auto-update feature to ensure you have the latest channels and features. As you explore the app, you may notice some amazing features like customizable favorites and parental controls. Perfect for families. You can also use the integrated EPG, Electronic Program Guide, to check what's on and plan your viewing ahead. By the way, don't forget to check out 2TV Store for all your IPTV needs. It's the best around. Lastly, if you run into any issues, remember that troubleshooting is part of the process. Common mistakes include incorrect playlist URLs or login credentials. Double-check these details if you're having trouble accessing channels. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy your Lux Player IPTV experience to the fullest. If you found this useful, I've also